In late spring, the United States Coast Guard vessel Tamaroa will be sent to the deep to join a network of artificial reefs off the coast of New Jersey. Reef construction on the Jersey coastline has been managed by the New Jersey Bureau of Marine Fisheries since 1984. The program seeks to provide habitats for shellfish, crustaceans, and fish, which has the added benefit of establishing fishing grounds for anglers and providing underwater structures for scuba divers. The state holds permits to place 15 reefs encompassing 25 square miles of ocean floor. Artificial reefs are constructed by intentionally placing dense materials such as old ships and barges, concrete, and steel demolition debris on the seafloor within the designated reef sites. As many as 10 vessels are expected to be placed throughout the network. An assortment has already been deployed, which include Austin, a 68-foot trawler, and the 115-foot clam vessel Lisa Kim. After Tamaroa has been determined clear of all PCBs and hazardous materials, in spring, the ship will be deployed on a reef 30 miles south of Cape May Point. As the ship enters the water, within hours, algae, barnacles, mussels, sea stars, and sea fans begin to settle on the new structure, and under the right conditions, within 2 weeks, a structure can be completely colonized. These organisms attract smaller fish, which then draw black sea bass, tautog, summer flounder, scup, lobster, human anglers, and other species. Want to know more? Check out the Sound News March 2017 issue. For other boat stories and news, go to soundnewsonline.com.